Two brothers were shot, one fatally, along the Ricketts River Main Road in Frome, Westmoreland on Sunday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as 64-year-old Cleveland Hamilton, otherwise called Baya, of Ontario, Canada, who had been visiting the community. Reports are that about 3:55 p.m. both brothers were standing along the roadway when a white motorcycle with two men aboard, traveling from the Georges Plain direction, drove up and stopped. The pillion disembarked the motorcycle, brandished a firearm, and opened gunfire, hitting both men. Hamilton ran across the road in a bid to escape and was chased by the gunman, who continued firing at him. The now deceased then fell to the ground. The men then proceeded to rob Hamilton of an undetermined sum of money and a gold chain before fleeing on their motorcycle towards George Plain direction. The other brother were transported to hospital by relatives, where he was admitted in a serious condition, whilst Hamilton was pronounced dead on arrival. Investigations are ongoing. A fire at the Jamaica Post Central Sorting Office on South Camp Road in Kingston on Monday was contained to a storage area, officials from the Jamaica Fire Brigade said. Stuart Beckford, commissioner at the JFB, said the fire began approximately 9:08 and seemed to have spread from a garbage fire which was lit outside to a storage area inside the building which held old mail. Sparks emitting from the burning would have traveled through a vent and would have landed in the storage area where old mail was being stored, and that would have caught on fire. The good news in all of that is that the fire had been contained to that general area. There is no threat to the building itself, Beckford said. He told Observer Online that the cause of the fire has not yet been determined, but it is reported that a person of unsound mind may have been cooking at the back of the building when the incident occurred.